Italy is a country known for its rich history, culture, and stunning architecture. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the coastal towns of the Amalfi Coast, there is no shortage of picturesque locations to explore. In this video, we'll take a look at 10 towns that are not to be missed, each with its own unique charm and beauty. From ancient Roman ruins to charming medieval streets, these towns offer something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's take a tour of some of Italy's most beautiful towns. Portofino Liguria. The coastal town of Portofino is one of the most beautiful European ports to sail into. Upon arrival, the vibrant coloured houses, piercing blue water, and quaint beaches are enough to make any visitor fall in love with the place. It also has a wealth of excellent hotels, including the Hotel Splendido and the Grand Hotel Miramare, which are both great establishments to spend the night after a long day of shopping, eating, and exploring the town. Cortina d'Ampezzo. The location for the 2026 Winter Olympics, Cortina, nicknamed the Queen of Dolomites, is a chi-chi ski resort known for its stunning slopes, beautiful views, and local cuisine. Treat yourself to a stay at the luxurious Cristallo Resort and Spa, where you will experience the true beauty of the scenery and cuisine that Cortina has to offer. Cefello, Sicily. The postcard-pretty medieval town of Cefello is home to stunning mosaic-adorned cathedrals, a picturesque seafront promenade, and its soaring twin towers. Such is the sheer beauty of the location that many movies have been filmed here, such as the world-renowned Cinema Paradiso. Just an hour's drive from Palermo, Cefello is a worthy stop on any Sicilian itinerary. Palmanova. Seen from the air, Palmanova is a gem, literally. Its striking star-shaped walls were built by its Venetian rulers in 1593. And they've been preserved so well that they're a part of a UNESCO World Heritage network of Venetian defences. Meanwhile, the elegant town itself, shaped like a finely cut gemstone, radiates out in neat wedges from the hexagonal main square. Take a guided tour for a chance to step back in time and taste the 15th century Venetian cuisine. While its historical significance is reason enough to visit, the yearly reenactment of the start of the 1615 Ottoman-Habsburg Wars is also a must-see. Sorrento, Campania. Located in the southwestern Italy facing the Bay of Naples on the Sorrentine Peninsula, straddling the dramatic, rocky cliffs looking over the ocean. Sorrento is a much-loved tourist destination. It is known for its sweeping water views and cafe-lined square of Piazza Teso, which have tourists mesmerised from the moment they step foot in the town. The historic centre is a warren of narrow alleys, home to the Chiesa di San Francisco, a 14th century church with a tranquil cloister. Brizighella. As Italy's foodie capital, Emilia-Romagna is known for its pasta and parmesan, but not necessarily its olive oil. Things are different in Brizighella, where the hills heading towards Tuscany produce exceptional oil, bringing people from all over the region to its annual festival. In fact, the town, overlooked by an ancient castle, hosts several culinary events throughout the year, like an artichoke festival in May and a truffle festival in November. Rilas Vanillo is a hotel nestled in the foothills, with views of vineyards and olive groves, which is definitely worth a visit. Polignano a Mare Apulia. Named the Pearl of the Adriatic, Polignano a Mare is one of the most romantic seaside towns in Italy. situated on a limestone cliff that slices into the ocean. Spend a day exploring the sandy bays and inlets on a little boat or wandering the town's winding whitewashed streets. The town also offers cultural experiences such as the Museum of Contemporary Art, Pino Pascali, which displays an array of photography and paintings. Porto Venere. The Cinque Terre towns are smaller than Port Venere if you're going by population, but add in the tourists and you're at city numbers on the streets. Porto Venere, reached by a winding bus route across the mountains or a ferry, has all the sea views and cutesy alleyways of Cinque Terre. But it's not as busy, with more Italian international visitors. Its seafront, which features brightly painted houses, is typical Genoese style, while the alleys behind it are filled with shops and bars. Stay at the Grand Hotel Porto Venere, the former convent current 5-star boutique hotel that rises over Port Venere and the marina. Can't skip Cinque Terre. Boats from here take you straight there. Belluno, perched on high bluffs above Pieve River, backed by the snow-capped Dolomites. Belluno is easily one of the most beautiful towns in northern Italy. Beside its generous 360-degree views, you'll find its charming historical town centre, packed with Renaissance-era buildings, palazzi, and Romanesque churches. As an added bonus, it's just a little over an hour's drive from mainland Venice. San Gimignano. San Gimignano's 13 medieval tower houses rise from the ground like a prescient New York City, which means there are few villages with a skyline as iconic. Its historic centre is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, encircled by a stone wall within which visitors will find many examples of Romanesque and Gothic architecture. Outside, sloping hillsides are covered in groves and olive trees. Trying the gelato here is also a definite must. We hope you enjoyed our tour of these picturesque locations, and that it has inspired you to plan your own trip to Italy. Each of these towns offers something special and unique, from the ancient Roman ruins of Pompeii to the charming medieval streets of San Gimignano. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover, or just looking for a picturesque place to relax, there's something for everyone in Italy. We encourage you to add these towns to your travel bucket list and explore all that Italy has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.